Do I need a lawyer to get divorced? The answer is no, but you probably ought to have one. I think there are some things that might help you if you're dead set on going through this without an attorney, though. Practice good communication with your spouse. Listen to understand, speak to be understood, avoid arguments, define boundaries and priorities without yelling or arguing. Talking about difficult things can be difficult, and you might find this is easier with a lawyer. But either way, it'll narrow what you need a judge for if you're able to speak with your spouse about these difficult things without arguing. Remember the needs of your children. The court is looking for an arrangement that suits the best interests of your children. Focusing on what that is will assist you when you go to present something in front of the judge if there is a hearing date at some time in the future. Having a good understanding of what custody plan is in the best interest of the children will make you better able to argue for the custody plan that you desire to a judge. Now, remember, the rules of evidence can be tricky, and that employing the expertise of an attorney is very helpful in presenting an argument in court in front of a judge. Also, strongly consider mediation. This is a great way to either settle the whole thing or at least iron out some points where you are at least able to agree, and set out priorities and the points of contention that you'll need to frame for a judge if you are to go to court. It's always okay to have partial agreements at mediation and to limit the issues that you're bringing before a judge so that you can get the judge to focus on what you need, rather than a bunch of messy furniture that you've already got an idea of how to divide amongst each other. Remember, that'll also help you figure out what is actually at issue on your court date. Don't forget, my way is the highway, and employing that kind of philosophy is never going to go your way. It never prevails. In all divorces, people have to make compromises. Getting the best deal possible is often advanced by using an attorney, a skilled attorney who can assist you in identifying priorities and determining strategic ways to divide assets and or approach a particular custody plan. Always focus on the future. It's easy to get stuck in a negative place in divorce. Let's be honest, divorce sucks. But the cherry on top might just be that your new life after divorce is better than your married one. And so it's important to push through and focus on the future.